What's up, WolfPack? If you have a big interview coming up and nothing to wear, you should schedule a visit to the Career Closet. The Madison College Career Closet is offered by Career and Employment Services. The closet is packed with business casual to business professional attire and is available for enrolled students. All clothing in the closet is gently used or like new and was donated by faculty, staff, employer partners, community members, and students. Madison College students can shop the closet and take up to 4 items per semester. All clothing is free of charge, and once you shop the closet, the clothing is yours to keep. The Career Closet is located on the Truax campus in the Career and Employment Services room D1624. Also look out for occasional pop-ups of the Career Closet at other campuses or special events. Watch your campus calendar and WolfPack Connect for more info. As you prepare to shop the Career Closet or go through your own to pick an outfit, keep in mind these tips from our career advisors. Wear something that you feel comfortable in, but also makes you confident. Your outfit should be in good condition and wrinkle and lint free. Employers typically expect interview clothing to be solid with dark or neutral colors with closed-toe heels, flats, or dress shoes. Be you, but just keep in mind that extra bright prints, colors, and patterns may distract the employer during an interview. Make sure you can sit and stand comfortably in your interview outfit and that you feel comfortable and confident in your body while doing so. If you need to wear a belt, it should match the color of your shoes. Other tips shared by these pros include: wear very mild to no fragrance. If you have piercings and tattoos, align them to the employer's standards. If they approve of them, show them. If not, or you are unsure, don't. Keep your phone turned off and out of sight during the interview. Finally, only bring essential items to the interview, such as a portfolio, messenger bag, or a simple purse. Oh, and if your interview is online, be sure to wear pants. Purging your own closet? Donations are accepted. Contact Career and Employment Services to give your gently used or like new professional clothing. No shoes or jewelry. The Madison College Career Closet can help you make a great impression. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it. Subscribe to our channel for updates and new videos on college services and opportunities.